Did you know that before refrigeration, Russians had a weird way of keeping their milk fresh? Instead of using modern preservatives, they dropped live brown frogs into their milk. Sounds strange, right? But here's the science behind it. In 2012, scientist Albert Lebedev discovered that these frog skin secretes powerful antimicrobial compounds, which help prevent bacterial growth. These natural antibiotics stop the milk from spoiling for days. So, while it may seem gross today, this ancient trick actually worked. Who knew frogs could be nature's own food preservative? Speech Balloon, what do you think? Would you try this old school method? Let me know in the comments.